But we're here today in the Downs Way tree belt, and we're doing a family bushcraft event allowing kids and adults alike to build up new skills and woodwork skills and everything they want, from den building to painting and all sorts. So yeah, it's a great little project.
I'm here with my sister and my granddad.
And what did you make?
A chair, hammered it and put the other bits on. Saw it.
Do you want to leave?
No.
Good. I made an apple out of clay.
Yeah.
And I've been like eating it because I love apples.
Yeah. Have you painted it?
Yeah.
With
Red. I made paint out of chalk. What's it called? Charcoal and water.
Hello, I'm Louise and this is my son Rufus, and we've been here today doing bushcraft workshops and learning some new skills, haven't we? We've had a lovely time. It's really raining, but it doesn't matter because we've been having lots of fun. You've loved it, haven't you? Yeah.